Okay, so I have these 3 phones right here. Yeah, they're all Android for now. But what I want to do is that I want to communicate between all 3 of them without internet, without cell towers, without a SIM card or any of that. All you need is for one of them to at least download the app called Briar. And that app will be on this one right here. This one has Briar already. But now on this one, I'm going to turn off the internet. It is turned off here. Turn off mobile data. So it is completely offline. And I'm going to throw these other 2 offline as well. Let me turn off the mobile data. Yes, turned off. Let me turn off mobile data and Wi-Fi on this one too. Wi-Fi is already off and mobile data is off. So they're all off right now. So how do I send Briar to this, from this one to any of these 2? Well, first of all, you open the app. Let me just get out of here completely. You can download Briar either via Play Store or F-Droid. Mine, I did it with F-Droid because I use F-Droid for almost everything. Then you open the app Briar, B-R-I-A-R. You click these 3 lines right here. Go to settings. And here you can share this app offline. Hit it. And here you can start a hotspot. Yes, while using the app, so we can check the other phones, turn the Wi-Fi on. But I'm not going to connect the Wi-Fi to any Wi-Fi here. Let me just get rid of this one. As you saw, it went by itself. I'm gonna forget that Wi-Fi. I'm gonna forget all the Wi-Fi connections here, as I see it's been auto-connecting the whole time. Okay, so now we don't have any Wi-Fi connected right here. And right here, we need to turn on the Wi-Fi and get rid of all the Wi-Fis that we have saved, just so we are as if there's no Wi-Fi connections around us at all. Okay, forget. Let me forget this one too. Okay, so all the Wi-Fis and connections here are done. Let me do the same for this one here too. Okay, turn Wi-Fi on, and I'm gonna forget all the Wi-Fi connections that I have right here. Okay, so right now we should not auto connect to anything, but now we have this going on. Let me change this. Okay, this is the password that they give us. I'm gonna hit next. So in this case, now the hotspot is open from this phone that has the Briar app. Meanwhile, these 2 don't have any connection with towers or nothing. We just have to open Wi-Fi, like you see right here, and find this network right here. It's this one right here. Enter the password that it gives you there. I'm going to connect. Okay, it will connect without internet because we don't have internet here either. Okay, good. Always connect. Now hit next on this one and it will give you a address to go to. It's one of those 19 something something something. We'll go to our browser and hit that address. And when you enter that line right there, that's HTTP and all that stuff that it gives you here, it will get you to this Briar website. Even though we are offline, in all these phones, we are offline right now. You are downloading this from this phone's library, Briar, like a copy of it. When it downloads, I think I hit save to downloads. Yep, hit open. Go to settings to give it permission to install, and wait for it to finish installing. And we can do the same with this one right here. So we're gonna spread Briar like a rapid fire. Click it, open, and you can choose a nickname. I'm just gonna put Omni12. Hit next. We're gonna put a password, and we have to hit allow connections. We can create an account because we're gonna be talking around with each other. Already we created the account. Now we connect the third phone. We put the password that we have right here. Okay, connect. It should connect. Okay, it is connected now. And we do the same exact thing we did with this one. Enter again. Okay, so after you do the exact same thing like you did with this one, make sure you turn on Bluetooths for all of them, because that's what we're gonna use. I'm actually gonna leave Wi-Fi on too, just to have it. Okay, so Bluetooth is on this one. It's going to be on this one, and on this one too. Really quick. We don't need to connect anything, just to have it as a method of connection when we need it. And now we're gonna add each other as contacts right here. I don't need the hotspot anymore, and we have the connections here. that you can use mobile data, Tor network if you're connected to the internet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and we're gonna leave the Bluetooth on right now. That's the whole point here. And we're gonna add here a contact, add contact at a distance. That requires you to be online, or add contact nearby. Nearby is the reason we have Bluetooth on. I'm gonna hit nearby. I'm gonna hit continue. Allow Brian to take pictures. Yes, because I will show you later why that is the case. And here are your contacts. Okay, I'm gonna leave Bluetooth on. Yep, allow. And here is gonna be the Bluetooth too on. Okay, so they're all ready to go. And here we are gonna add contacts nearby. Continue. Allow, just let it allow everything. Okay, I'm gonna do the same one right here. Allow. It looks messier than it actually is. If you put your camera on top of it, boom, you will get a connection between the devices, or you can do it from this one as you see, or this one, well, however you see it fit. Just give it a second to exchange. Contact added, and for example, I want to add this right here too, just like this. Allow again. So you can either add this one to another phone, as you saw. It does the QR code and camera at the same time. That's why it's one of those things that you can switch. You can add this one for example, right here. We will go right here and add it. For some reason, the Motorola does not want to be part of the group. I don't know why, but we're gonna try it again. It should work because the Bluetooth is on and everything should be on. Yep, Bluetooth is on here. Bluetooth on here. And Bluetooth on right here. Okay, because you both must scan each other's QR to make the connection. And as you see, now I have them both connected right here. Now these two will connect with each other anyway, so I'm just gonna let that go however it wants. As you see, it is already connecting. But here, for example, I have Omni Moto, which is this one right here. I can send pictures right there. I can send messages, for example, hi, and the message came right here. As you see, it says hi right there. I can send photos, I know, and let me send a hi back right there. Boom, it came up here. I'm gonna stop this one because they're already connected, so I don't really care that much about it. Now let me go to, let's say, Omni 2. I want to send this one now a message, hi, and it boom came in right here. Yes, super good text. Boom, it came right here. Now let's say I want to create a private group. Well, that's easy. Click here, choose names. I know the names, for example, right now. Omni group, just gonna hit create. Okay, and this is the group we created. And I can invite members. And I'm gonna invite both of them, just like this. Optional. Now I'm just gonna send the invitation, accept right here, and accept right here. Now we have all three connected, and all of them are gonna be relaying messages and all that. I'm gonna send it. Yep, and it went to both of them. Open, boom. So that's the message I just sent. Let me send another one really quick. Boom, in both of them. And yes, both of them can send text to both the other ones, as you see right here. So all of them are connected right now to send whatever you want and whatever they want, even emojis, even though I'm not the biggest emoji sender. But yeah, you see, this is how it actually works. You go here to contacts. I have both these contacts. And yes, I can send a picture, for example. Let me take a quick picture just to send it. I'm going to put this mouse right here. Take a picture of it. Boom. Okay. And now let me go to our app again. Not camera. Okay. I want to send this one right here. Click the picture. This is the picture. These are all offline, by the way. These are all offline. And in private groups, you can only send text, as I said. It is really easy. You can dissolve the group. You can create members list, invite members. And yes, this method works even if you have, for example, all 3 or 4 or 5 or whatever phones you have that are connected to a Wi-Fi, not necessarily online. just to be a router that is broadcasting Wi-Fi. And I'm talking about that so you have a broader range. If you have a good Wi-Fi router, or even the older ones that has a good range, you can do that, connect all of them at the same Wi-Fi, and they will remain connected, even though the Wi-Fi router is not connected to the internet. As I said, it does not need to be connected to the internet. It will still work, and obviously if you have a SIM card on it, that's even easier. And it is quite private to some point because you're not really entering a phone number or real email or anything. So in my opinion, this is a really, really good way to communicate, whether online or offline. And yes, you can open blogs if you want to create a new blog. You can get an RSS feed if you have one. You can enter the URL for the RSS feed, would be news or whatnot, and you can send that blog to any of these other two phones. I'm not going to do that. I'm not much into that anyway, so I don't really know much. And here would be your settings, display, that you have the theme, you have the language and region, you have connections, as we saw before, what kind of connections you want to keep on. You have the security, you can change your password, panic button. You can set up a panic button that will allow it to send direct kind of ping messages to both of them as a panic button, but I'm not going to do that right now. But you can do it if you want. You can lock the app so nobody can access without your password. Notifications, of course, for group chats, forum posts and whatnot that you have there. Mailbox, that's where you would have your messages as a mailbox QR code. No, that I'm not going to even get deep into that, because what we really need is this, what you saw right here. And as you saw, it was here, share the app offline. Or you can share download link if you have internet here. You can do that too. But in a nutshell, this is Braille, probably the best app. Yes, it is free. And I mean absolutely free. Not free 99. So far that you can get. It is an absolute beautiful app, especially for close proximity connection and communications. You can set it up even in your neighborhood. If you have a lot of friends that live close by or at work or whatnot, you can do the same exact thing that I did here and communicate offline. Heavens forbid, maybe in an emergency situation that towers go out, internet goes out and whatnot. You can have this mode of communication to send text and pictures and whatnot with each other, either via Bluetooth, same Wi-Fi connection, or just if you're online. And with that said, I hope you learned something. I hope what I said here makes sense, and we will see you next time. Bye!